This video is on multiplication and division of integers. The learning intention is that you'll be able to use the rules of multiplication and division to correctly evaluate problems involving integers. So there's a specific rule for multiplication and division. I can't be more clear about this, girls. It only works for multiplication and division. Okay? Every year I have girls that use it all the time, but it only works for multiplication and division. So here's the rule. When multiplying, I got ahead of myself. Multiplying or dividing. I don't want to pause, it takes too long. Or dividing two numbers whose signs are different. And when I'm talking about signs, I mean the plus and minus sign, not a division sign or a time sign, the sign in front of the number which makes it an integer, then the answer is negative. Different signs, negative answer. I think we've seen this before when we were changing the two signs between two numbers. It's kind of the same rule, except it's about an answer this time. Okay, when multiplying or dividing two numbers whose signs are the same, then the answer, the product or the quotient, is positive. Okay? All right, so those are the rules. Let's get down here and do some problems. So for each example, we're going to find the product, which is the answer in multiplication, or the quotient, which is the answer in division. So how about this one? Negative 2 times by 13. So all I did was 2 times 13, which is 26. And the sign of the 2 is negative, and the sign of the 13 is positive, so the answer is negative because the signs are different. Okay, number 2. Negative 11 times negative 4. Okay, the signs are the same, so the answer is going to be positive. So I multiply the numbers, and I get 44. Now, sometimes girls get confused, and they circle these two, and they say, but there's two signs between those two numbers. No, there's a multiplication sign and a minus sign. Totally different idea. When we talk about the sign of a number, we mean just the negative sign in front of it or the positive sign in front of it. Okay, number 3. 18 divided by negative 3. Signs are different. Answer is negative. 18 divided by 3 is 6. I think you heard Mr. Rafferty yawn in the background there. Last one. Negative 14 divided by negative. Answer is positive. 14 divided by 2 is 7. Super easy. I'll give you some problems to do for those.